We become wiser by adversity. Prosperity destroys our appreciation of the right. Life has come to a screaming halt and bitter realization with the COVID 19 pandemic, taking thousands of precious lives every day and turning worst nightmares into reality. What we thought could have been a science fiction plot is now very much unfolding in front of our own eyes. But this crisis has also given us a chance for self introspection, improving our skills in the comfort of our home, and spending good time with our family every day, which could have never been possible in our everyday job oriented life before. It truly makes one realize how adversity polishes you more in life like fire molds gold. In these hard times, it is essential that we move forward with virtues of patience, faith, and hope. The coronavirus panic at such times can prove more dangerous than the pandemic itself. Fear blocks our hope, kindness, and logical thinking qualities which we need now more than ever. Hence, it is important that we stay informed and don't feel fear cloud our judgment and dictate our behavior. As a part of staying informed, it is important to follow government guidelines strictly, adhere to the rules that have been laid out, take precautions, and stay indoors. If we can use this time wisely to work through our fears, we will gain wisdom more easily and readily than we would in our times of prosperity. And that is why this is the most optimal time to learn how to use technology in the best possible to hone your skills and knowledge. It is my special appeal that students of NIT Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir attend all the online classes being organized by the faculty and in addition take all online MOOCs courses and quizzes possible to make most out of this critical opportunity. This is the time when you can build your CVs with remote internships at the comfort of your own home without having to take the pains to travel to some new city or country. Although these are tough times, these too shall pass and make you stronger at the end. At last, I would like to add a popular quote from JF Kennedy. The Chinese use two brush strokes to write the word crisis. One brush stroke stands for danger, the other for opportunity. In a crisis, be aware of the danger but recognize the opportunity. Thank you.